Well, their first day was about hellos, but on this day 2 of their special session, state lawmakers got to business. At the center sits a debate over the governor's coronavirus emergency orders. Harrison Golden is at the Capitol right now with why the legislature wants more of the action. Harrison?
Kelly, before 2020 came around, a lot of state lawmakers here say that there was a lot they didn't foresee. Now, of course, hindsight is 2020.
I don't think our state laws ever envisioned an emergency as we're seeing with the COVID pandemic.
I don't believe that anybody in this room would have contemplated, had they been in the legislature years ago, that an emergency declaration would have lasted for 7 months.
That's what brings state lawmakers where they are, spending their first 30 days in session with the year's disasters and calendars in mind.
As a former civics teacher, there's 3 co-equal branches of government.
Senate President Page Cortez is helming the push for a 10-member panel. It would include himself, House Speaker Clay Schexnayder, and Legislative Health and Finance chairs.
Continue to do what has been working.
Any governor looking to extend an emergency declaration past 30 days would have to talk with them first, a week before it would otherwise expire.
Not that he can't extend it, but that he has to come explain it to the legislative branch of government and to the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, the judicial branch of government. They all need to know how we're going to get through this emergency, when it's going to end, and what are you doing to that end.
Though state law would bar this panel from blocking a renewal outright. That's what a petition of majority lawmakers would be for. But Republican leaders argued this would at least put them on equal footing, claiming the governor's chain of renewed declarations has hurt chains of supply and demand.
Our businesses is struggling, and we need to get them back on track.
Meanwhile, the governor argues with 5,000 plus coronavirus deaths here in Louisiana, he's simply using the power vested in him. But for now, we're live here at the state capitol. Harrison Golden, NBC Local 33 News.